Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to pack up my Sunshine and Rainbows collaboration swap that I have. My partner is CruzzinwithCrystal, and so I've decided to use this box. I have a few of them as I did have a B&D subscription previously, and if you've ever seen me do those unboxings, or if you haven't seen, I will leave that playlist here for you to check out. So it's a nice deep box. That's why I like it. So I'm just gonna put the stuff that I got. Okay. So let's see. I wanna see. Of course it's not gonna fit. I'm gonna have to make it at an angle. Okay. I might need a bigger box. This box might not even work. Maybe I have too much stuff. And I'm gonna figure this out. I should figure it out off screen so you guys don't have to watch me MacGyver all of this. But I know this and this can go at a slant. This can go at a slant. This can go underneath. Maybe. Maybe it's not gonna. Maybe I need a bigger. Or I can send 2 boxes actually. That might be what I do. So it's not gonna fit. What am I gonna do? I still have one more thing too, so I guess I am getting a bigger box. Sorry, this Disney box is not gonna work for you, Crystal. I was trying. Okay, I'm back. I got it stuffed in there. I'm sending 2 different packages, but this is what I'm sending her, and then I have another one that I'm sending her. Oh yeah, I forgot. Remember my rainbow you guys all liked? I'm gluing it right here to the top of the inside of the box. So when she opens it, fun. There you go. See it? I just remembered to turn on my glue gun though, so it'll come together after I finish this video. But this is my swap, Crystal. Hope you like it. So you're gonna get 2 packages. Sorry. But this was fun. I'm excited. And so Crystal is sending me a package too. And you know I'm going to be doing an unboxing on hers because she is such a talented crafter. And her projects give lots of inspiration. So for more videos like these, see here. Please like and subscribe. And until my next video, shakas.